Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Woman hurt in Mount Washington motorcycle crash. State police said a woman was seriously hurt when she crashed her motorcycle on Mount Washington on Saturday. Police said they received reports of a motorcycle that went off the side of the Mount Washington Auto Road just before 1:30 p.m. Initial investigation showed the bike, driven by Gloria Vega, 56, of Rhode Island, experienced a mechanical malfunction failure as it was descending the mountain. Police said Vega lost control and fell 20 feet off the edge of the road. She was airlifted to Central Maine Medical Center with serious but non-life-threatening injuries. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.